Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off limits on Instagram. Make sure that you have your Instagram account updated on your phone. So now let's open our Instagram account, and in here tap on the bottom right where you can see your profile, and tap on the three lines on the upper right, and tap on the first option, which is the settings. Now under settings, go to privacy, tap on it, and then you will see there under interactions you'll find the word limits. Yes, that's it. Now just tap on the limits and you'll be able to see here this page. Just click continue. Now in this you have the authority, or you have a choice. If you feel that you're being harassed, you can temporarily limit unwanted comments and messages. So for specific accounts you can just toggle this off, or if you want to limit your recent followers, you can also toggle this off. And if you want to permanently limit both, you can just click this turn off button on your phone. So you can just click on turn off, and if you want to turn it on, then you can just click on again. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe.